Hello kids! We are here with another interesting story for you. Today, I and Maithili ma'am are going to present an amazing story from block 3, The Blue Kite. Children, do you like kites? Their different sizes, shapes and colors always make them awesome, right? I really love flying kites. You also try with your parents. It will be a great fun, I tell you. Today, we are going to learn to sequence the events of the story and to use a story map. So let's begin. Zippy is a blue kite. It flies high in the sky. Zippy hears some birds are praising the kites of China. Zippy looks at herself and feels that she is so simple and decides to go to China to see the kites there. Next morning, she takes off to China. The wise old owl shows her way to China. She flies for many days and nights over the mountains and thick forests. She is finally flying over the blue sea. She knows now. She is close to China. She sees the Great Wall of China and giant pandas there. What happened next? The Zippy reached to China and see the Chinese kites. To know more, we will go to Maithili ma'am. Ma'am, will you please help us to know what happened next?
Yes, Shraddha ma'am. I have all your answers. Finally, Zippy reaches to China. There, she sees many colorful shapes in the sky. They look amazing. Do you know whom she meets there? She meets to a dragon and a butterfly kite. And both of them praise Zippy. They like her color and shape a lot. All other kites also admire Zippy. Now, Zippy feels proud of herself. She says that the kites in China are amazing, but she is amazing too. We hope you enjoyed the story. Read the story carefully, write glossary words in notebook and learn it.
Children, a good listener always listens closely for what happens in the story and where it takes place. The things that happen in the story are called events. I will repeat. The things that happen in the story are called events. If we look back to the story, we can see first, Zippy hears to the birds. Then, she decides to go to China. Next, she flies over the mountains. After that, she flies over the blue sea. Then, she meets Chinese kites and they praise her. Finally, Zippy feels proud of herself. The words like first, then, next, after that, then, finally show the sequence of the events. It tells the order of events like what happens first and what happens next and what happens finally. Now let's move to S1. Question 1. Answer the questions from the story The Blue Kite. Read the questions carefully and answer in complete sentences. Question 2. You have to put the events in correct order by numbering them. Question 3. Write any two details that are not important to the sequence. Now, let's see how to use a story map. A story map helps the reader to retell and summarize the important events from the story in a correct sequence. It gives the reader an overview of what the story is about. We should keep events in a sequence to understand the story properly. A story map tells us about what happened in the beginning, middle, and end of the story. For extra practice, you can prepare a story map for another story. Complete S1 and S2 in workbook. We hope you have enjoyed the story. Thank you.